Arngut ki Lanot Pluh Iing ki lapau kerteng hakmat ka dorbar senrai jong ka Iing dorbar thau aing ka jella haka ar phau ar tarik unailur ar hajar ar phau lai balara dungdong thau aing ka maurang kenang constituency uba Heavingstone kharpran haba utei unong thau aing ulayo jingtem bakitei ki Lanot Pluh Iing kempat yo eka Pisa belamang syaki hagi kenta keli Jingkylli uba Heavingstone ulaya thu baulayo ka jingtep henne ka step jong ka ar phau ar tarik unailur na kitei kilanon kata uba bante scam khar umnoin bat ka kong rina marbo bakimpat yo pediang satya ya ka jingsiu bai Lutksan balamang da ka sorkar haba juba pekatei ka Jingkylli uba kerman shla menteri katanat revenue and disaster management ulaya thu baka Pisa lengba ka state disaster response force lapha shagi bank account jong kitei ki arngut ki lanon kaba kidei banyo marshilak lai pesan hajar tengka nado ka arpuai tarik ujeliu ar hajar ar paulai bat katei ke jubab jong menteri kalong udak Jingkylli bakrau ba kumnu ulakam baladap bansiu kat katei ke Pisa kat ba kitrai badai hok banyo ki klampat yo pediang satya.
Answer to start question number 174. Sir, financial assistance has been paid to the two beneficiaries as applicable under SDRF norms.
Remember? Your supplementary question, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as far as my knowledge goes, sir, this morning only I called these two families who have been affected by the fire incidents. So they have not received anything, sir, from the government. I would like to ask Mr. when they have paid this financial assistance to these two families.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the amount was transferred to both the beneficiaries through via PFMS for this both the beneficiaries. The amount is 1,35,000. And they did through the notification number RDG 20/023/23 dated 21st June 2023, and the money has been transferred, sir.
Yeah, next supplementary question.
Sir, I just briefed the Honourable Minister that these two particular, for instance, happened to these two families. Si Bantis Kam Karamnu, President of Krangsau Village, occurred on the 20th of February 2023. And again, it happened to Srimati Rina Marbo, President of Pudang Village, on the 6th May 2023, respectively, which falls in the Mount Klang City block. So, after this incident, the BDO concerned went for spot verification and submitted a report to the EDC. The first report submitted on 13 March 23, and the second case 28 May 23 to the EDC. So as per the Minister replied yesterday that 20 lakhs funds were allocated to HDC or the district with additional fund of 50 lakhs each year. So, sir, what I feel is that since the first incident took place in the 20th of February 2023, now it's almost 7 months, why is this delayed to provide this financial assistance to the affected family? Again, this second case which happened on the 6th May, the report submitted to the EDC by the BDO on 28 May 23 to the EDC. Why is it being delayed to provide financial assistance to these families?
Sir, as I've been mentioned, it's already paid, sir. So I don't know if it's not paid. Yes, I accept the fact that why it's delayed, but it's already paid. I have the notification number, sir, and it's already transferred to their account.
Yes, Dr. Silson, please.
So, sir. Is there any intention by the government to switch any mechanism for providing immediate relief when such incident happens?
Yes, sir. Our attention is that to provide immediate relief. That's why we placed the amount of 20 lakh to the Deputy Commissioner concerned of all the district, so that he can do the job needed to be done for the families who are affected. As per the norms, that is our intention, sir. So we are will be very grateful if any affected members, whenever they are affected by the calamities, so they please go to inform the Deputy Commissioner or the officer concerned. I believe and is assured, sir, that they will take good care of them and the money will be released as soon as possible.
Last question, sir. Are there any plans or initiatives in place to prevent such incident and to enhance its fire safety measures in the villages in future?
Yes, sir. We have different activities has been done in the village level, district level, and the state level. So for that, no doubt, sir, natural calamity is something which nobody can be predicted. So that's why sometimes when it occurs, it's not in our wisdom. It's not that we know it in hands that this thing will happen. But the best thing we can do is that, sir, alert the people and let them. They should be alert and then take good care so that whenever any calamities occur in the village level or district level, so that they can take care, and then from our side, whenever informed to us, we will try to provide the needful, sir.